Welcome back, Lancers. Today we are back again to another video, and today's video is all about go-to statements. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So basically, what is go-to? For now, let us first discuss the definition of a go-to. Go-tos are generally known as jumping statements. So what do you understand by that word, jumping statement? Let us see. You have certain lines of codes here. Let's say we have 5 lines of codes, and then we have set a label in the second line. After that, we have used go-to statement in the fourth line, and we have asked the go-to statement to change the program control from this statement to this label. This is what go-to statement do, and that is why it is known as jumping statement, because it's jump from one part of a program to another part of a program. Also goto is used. We can also define goto as goto is used to transfer the program control to a predefined label. You see what we have discussed here? We have 5 labels, we have 5 statements, and we have said that in the second statement we have our label. In the goto statement, we have asked goto to move our program control to the predefined label, that is the second statement. And what goto is doing? Goto is doing exactly the same that we are asking for. We are asking the goto to change the program control from one part of a program to another, that is from the part where goto is defined to the part where label is defined, our predefined labels, and the goto statement will change the program control to that statement. Now let us understand the goto statement workflow. You see, we have few statements here. Our program goes from something like this. Then we have declared the label. After that, there are many statements there. After that, we have said that if condition go to label, this means we are asking goto to change the program control from here to directly to here until this condition is true. Now let's say this condition is true for 5 cases, 5 iteration you can say. Then when this case is true, whenever this case is true, this complete statements will be executed. This is what goto statement will do. The point where this condition become false, after execution of this statement, when it checked that this condition is false, goto statement cannot be executed, and the program control flow will skip this if part and then move to our further program. So this is what goto statement do. So summarizing everything, we can say that goto statement is used to move our program control from one point to another. And how it do that? It achieve this process by using a predefined label that we have already defined in our program. Now let's see few hands-on practical sessions in VS Code. So here we are back to our VS Code, and to program and to start our hands-on session, first of all let's include standard io.h. After that we will write int main. Yes, now what we have to do? We have to execute a program here. Let's say we will just write printf hello study lines. This is what we will be printing, and a backslash n to change line after each line statement. Before that, we will start a label something like this. Let's say we name our label as star, and this symbol will say that this is a label. After that, we will just write something like this: go to star. here. Now let's run this program and see what will happen. It should print this hello study lines for infinite times, because yeah, you see it is printing infinite times. First close this one and then close this one. Yeah, you see what is happening. First of all, it is seeing star, and this colon says that this is a label. After that, we are printing a hello study lines. So the program is executing. That is why the compiler will print hello study lines once. After that, again it is saying that go to star. So the our control flow will change from here to here, and this is what happening each time after printing hello study lines. As we have not provided any condition, that is why it is printing for infinite times. Now let's provide some interesting condition here. If I less than 10, let's for say, and I will also here write int I is equals to 0. Yeah, now so now as this we have seen that this program is continuously looping for infinite times. So what we have to do, we have to, let's say, print it 5 times. To print it 5 times, we have to first take an iterator int I, and we will initialize with it with 0 here. Now after star we will just say like I plus plus here, and then I will also write here an if condition if I is less than 5. This is what we have to do. It will go to star, and let's run this program and see what will be happening. You see it is printing hello study lines for 5 times. This is what you can see, that we are using goto statement, a simple statement, a jumping statement, as a looping statement. So what we are doing here, we are just saying that if I is less than 5, go to our predefined label star, and inside after star we are just iterating I with one value, or we are just increasing the value of I with 1. So if with each iteration, or you can say with each printing of hello study lines, I value is increasing by 1, and it is increasing until it becomes 5. As it becomes 5, the if condition becomes false, and because of that go to star statement, or you can say the go to statement is not executing, and the program flow will end and the program execution will terminate. This is what is happening this is what is happening behind the scene of the behind this program. So now let's wrap this video with this. This was a very short video on a terminology of C, or you can say that keywords of a C, Goto. Now let's revise this one. A very quick overview of what we have studied today. We have studied that Goto statements are generally called as jumping statements. The basic functioning of a Goto statement is to jump from a program, or you can say jump from a part of program to another part of program, or we can say that more precisely, we can say that Goto statement jump from a part of a program to a predefined level which we have already defined beforehand while programming. Also, Goto statement can be used as an iterator, or you can say it can be used as a looping statement. This is what all about Goto statement. Now let's wrap this video. Thank you for watching. Peace.